Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, alright, and turn on your notifications so you can see every time I get a new video. Anyway, so today I'm going to jump right in it. We're still quarantining depending on where you live, so sometimes it's a little difficult to just figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. You're working from home, you just have your hair braided or you have your hair in a bun, and all of a sudden somebody wants to go somewhere and you're like, oh snap. Or it's V-Day and you're like, shoot, I really need to go somewhere but I want to look kind of cute and la da 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 da. Alright, so right now what we're going to do is make a wig hat. Now I love bling and stuff, so I'm going to end up trying to bedazzle this hat eventually. But I want to just show the basics of how to make a wig cap. This is my first time doing it, alright? So we're going to learn together. Alright, so right now I have a baseball cap, one I got from the beauty supply store. And it's what do you call it, a snapback, well, more like a Velcro. So what I'm going to do is take this and turn it inside out. And this was like $8. I was trying to find like a more bedazzled one so I wouldn't have to do it myself, but whatever. Alright, so we got it inside and out. Alright. Okay. So we're going to focus primarily from here all the way to here. Alright. And this is the hair that I'm using. This was hair also bought at the beauty supply store. Yes. It's supposed to be human hair. That's what they said. Okay. Well, that's okay because I'm gluing this down. Now, other videos show people, most videos on YouTube show people gluing it down. However, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I have a hot date today, so I'm just going to be gluing this down. Alright. So you got your scissors, you got your glue gun, and make sure you have a little extra of those glue sticks. And we are going to start at it, alright? Yep. So, hopefully I don't mess up my outfit with this. So I'm just going to go. Now, I've never used a glue gun for tracks. So, this will be quite interesting. Okay, so my camera went out because the card was full. Didn't notice that. So, I don't know if you saw what I did. But, I'm just going to kind of do a mock-up of what I did. So, on this side, I put the glue here. Pre-measure the track first. Take the track, place it over here, press it in. Okay? That's what we did. Alright, now we're going to go above here. Alright, so this is the tricky part. It might be tricky, it might not. I'm taking another glue stick because I pretty much used all of that up already. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is pre-measure this. Because I'm going to have to go from, let me see, up here all the way around here. Alright, so, up here. Alright, so, about that much. Cut the track. Alright guys, the moment of truth. It is the moment of truth. Yes, yes, so I have a big hot date today, but I'm not gluing down my wig. I'm just going to see if I can wear a hat with it because it's red. And you know how I feel about gluing down my wig. And plus, I got these big dookie braids in. Alright. So, here we go. Let me do this quick before it dries. Alright. Oh my god, this shit dried already. Alright, so I'm going to peel this off. Because... Hey guys, alright, so let me show you the final results. Got my little wig cap, added some water to it, and not bad. Could add some more bling to it, but this is a nice black hat. If you want something that's just like super simple, super cute, let me show you. I'm going to actually put some, like, kind of just try to get rid of whatever, wherever it is, but the little tag in the corner. But for the meanwhile, yeah, put it in a little bun. This is super, super cute. This is super, super quick. It like took me, I would say, if you want to do it, like 30 minutes. It's really, really quick. Get yourself a glue gun. Let me just show you. All right, get yourself a glue gun, and you want to make sure that you get like the long glue sticks. All right, they sell short glue sticks and long glue sticks, but get the long glue sticks at Michael's. All right, you can get this on Amazon probably, but I got mine at Michael's. They have bigger ones at Michael's. They have smaller ones at Michael's, but you know, whatever. Just get yourself a glue stick and a glue gun, and make sure that you have a good like 2 hours to spare. Practice it. Get yourself a nice hat. I also got like a beanie hat to try, but the beanie hats, I would suggest that you get the ones that like fold over a little bit, but you can get them ones that don't, but I don't know how well it's going to stick to the beanie hat. I didn't try it. We can try it together and see how that works out. But anyway, I wanted to just show you what it looks like. Oh, let me hide my hair. But you get the picture.